Welcome to this video. In this video I wanted to give you a brief video, but one that will explain the reason why people give up promoting affiliate products, why they go bouncing around from offer to offer, shiny object syndrome and so on, and never end up getting sales. And I'm going to give this information to you briefly so you get the main information that will really help you, and it will save you years of struggle. So what I'm talking about, I've personally experienced when I got started with Clickbank. Although I made sales and actually made a living as an affiliate with Clickbank, I sent through hundreds and hundreds of hops, which is what Clickbank call them, like visitors through to pages, without doing this one thing that I'm going to tell you. And I'm also going to tell you how to make sure that you're doing this in the right way, and what will make the biggest difference. So let's get right into it. This is will stop you giving up. So here's the thing, you've got Clickbank products here. Here's the thing that will stop you giving up. If we go through to the top offers here, number one, the first thing that makes people give up is not understanding what gravity is. So I'll explain really briefly what gravity is. What people do is they look at gravity numbers. 854, that is really high. 487, that's really high, and they automatically assume that product will convert well. Here's one thing to remember that took me years to understand, and it will really help you. The gravity is literally just an indicator of how many affiliates are making sales. Now, it doesn't mean 854 affiliates. It awards a number between 0.1 and 1, depending on the frequency of those affiliate sales over the last, I think it's 90 or 180 days, I can't remember. But basically it is just a score that tells you how well the product's doing with affiliates. It tells you nothing about the conversion rate of the product. So that's the first thing to bear in mind. The second reason that people give up is almost linked to the first. They grab a product like Puraviv, and what they do is they just start sending traffic through. So let's say we set up a pay-per-click campaign, and we just set it up under Puraviv and all related key phrases, and we spent $100 on the ad, okay? Or let's say $500, a good chunk of money on the ad. We spent $500 on the ad, and we made one sale. We haven't made a profit. We've spent $500 on the ad and we've received $131, and we've helped the gravity score go up. So you see where I'm going with this. Just because the gravity score's high means that affiliates are making sales, but it doesn't mean that they're actually making money. So what can happen is loads of people jump on a product with inflated gravity, start promoting it, making sales, pushing the gravity up because people believe that's the indicator, and then end up sending loads and loads of people through, hundreds, thousands of people, and not making a sale, whether that's done through social media or pay-per-click. So what's the solution to this? The solution to this is to have a funnel set up. But I just want to explain really briefly. I know that you probably know what a funnel is, and you can see here a description of a basic funnel. Here's the thing that I want to talk about that a lot of people miss. Let's say that you set this funnel up, okay, and you've got an opt-in and you send 4 emails each day, 1 a day for 4 days, and the first email genuinely helps them get a result, okay? So bridging the gap between where they are, which is here, to the main offer, which will obviously solve their problems, but you're giving them some form of result before they actually get the main offer. Here's the thing that's really cool with funnels. Even if you don't make a sale, so even if you've got 100 people on your email list and you don't make a sale, you've got that 100 people on your email list, which means that you may make a sale in the future, you may make a sale of another product. You've then got the added thing that you could do here, where you've offered the main offer and you might offer a discount further on. So you could actually add to this and offer a discount. So discount offer in the future, and on and on. So you've got, and as your email list, which are opting in here, are getting this really good information, and you've got them on your list, so to speak, you're building a business, you've got real people, you're offering them genuine help, and then you've got you could offer them a discount offer, you could offer them free stuff like this video here that you're watching, and that's how you build a business, and that's how you save yourself from the struggle. The difficult thing is, so let me just tell you this because it's really, really important. A lot of people know what I've just said. They know that they have to build a funnel, but most people get it wrong. What they do is they just build a funnel where someone opts in, and then email 1, 2 and 3 is just pushing the product and not helping and not doing anything, and that means that it's pretty much the same as not having a funnel. You've just got a group of people on an email list that you're sending sales emails out to. You must make sure that these 3 emails are done in a way that actually complement the main offer and give them some form of result. So let me say this to you as well, it's really, really important. If you've got software or even AI nowadays and your emails are not offering any help, it's not going to make anything better. So key thing is, and this will save yourself years of and if you want to make sales, it's really, really important. It's worth spending some time to not create groundbreaking emails that release the secrets of the universe, but you definitely want to create emails that help your audience and give them some form of result. And that little result might be something really simple. That little result might be something that they can just see in their mind that, oh yeah, that makes sense, like like something that moves them forward. So you don't have to overthink it, but if you do those things, number one, start actually helping and have a half decent funnel set up that starts building a list of people, and number two, a complementary product that actually is a good product, and then you send traffic and spend the time, the money, the effort, the social media, whichever way you're doing it. That's how you make money, and that is very simply what most people miss. I just wanted to do a really quick video. If you follow that, you'll make money online, and that's how simple it is. Yes, it's difficult with traffic. Yes, it's whether you're sending paid or whether you're sending social, it's always going to be difficult, but it's well worth doing then, because you're actually building a business. If you want help with it, I've opened up a couple of spots, 2 more spots for the funnel magic system. What it will do is I'll build you a funnel exactly as I've shown, and I'll actually give you everything that allows you to send the traffic to it. So you get the complete funnel set up for you, you get the product picked out for you, you get a 30-day plan for the traffic, and you get all the traffic materials included. So if you just want to do something where you get all of that done for you, and then all you have to do is use the traffic materials and the plan, grab it, because I've got 2 spots left. But whatever you decide, I'll put the link in this video and in your email. Whatever you decide, this video will help you if you do that. That's the difference between losing your shirt on ads and sending traffic and getting frustrated and actually making money. So let me help you set up the funnel. I'd love to do it. I think it will really, really help you, and it will allow you to see this actually working. So I hope you found the video of use, and if you want a spot, do be quick, because I've put the limiter on 2 more spots, and then it goes. So thanks ever so much for watching. I'll speak to you soon, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.